So here we have two vectors, vector A and vector B, and we need to find the value of derivative with respect to t of the dot product between vector A and B at t equals to 1. So let's begin. To find the derivative with respect to t of the scalar product between vector A and B, that's the same as finding out the derivative of vector A with respect to t and dotting it with B vector plus A vector dotted with the derivative of vector B with respect to t. So this is the definition of the dot product. So we're going to use this. Let's begin with vector A. So we have vector A. We'll take t squared I cap minus t j cap plus 2t plus 1 k cap. So we'll take the derivative of vector A with respect to t. So that's equals to 2t, which is the derivative of t squared. I cap is a constant vector, so that will be simply I cap. Minus derivative of t with respect to t, so that will be 1. And j cap is a constant. Plus derivative of 2t plus 1, so that will be 2. So we have 2k cap. Right. Now, value of the vector A calculated at t equals to 1. So this will be equals to, so we have 1 squared I cap, but that means we have I cap minus 1 times j, so that's negative j cap, plus 2t plus 1, so we have 2 times 1 plus 1, so that will be 3k cap. And derivative of vector A with respect to t calculated at t equals to 1, so this is equals to, so we have 2t I cap, so that means 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. So let's label this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. We'll come back to this in a moment. Now we will consider vector B. So our vector B is given by 2t minus 3 I cap plus j cap minus t k cap. Let's take the derivative of vector B with respect to t. So this is equals to 2 I cap plus, so we have 1 j cap, so that is going to be 0, negative t k cap, so derivative of t with respect to t, that's 1, we have k cap. So let's compute the value of vector B at t equals to 1, so that will be 2 times 1 minus 3, so that's negative I cap plus j cap minus k cap. And value of the derivative of vector B with respect to t calculated at t equals to 1, so this will be equals to, so we have 2 I cap minus k cap. Now we will use the definition and compute the value of derivative with respect to t of the scalar dot product between vector A and B. Right. So we first need derivative of A with respect to t. So this is the value that we need. We have 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. So this will be dotted to vector B. So our vector B calculated at t equals to 1, so that's negative I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Plus, we need vector A, so our vector A is I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap, and this will be dotted to the derivative of vector B with respect to t, which is 2 I cap minus k cap. Fine. So that's meant this way gives us, we have 2 I cap dotted to negative I cap, so that's negative 2. Negative j cap dotted to positive j cap, so that's negative 1. Plus 2k cap dotted to negative k cap, so that's negative 2. Plus I cap dotted to positive 2 I cap, so that's 2. Negative j cap, we do not have any j cap, so we'll go to k cap, so we have positive 3k cap dotted with negative k cap, so that's negative 3. So this will be negative 2, negative 3, negative. So this will just cancel out. So this will be negative 6. That means the derivative with respect to t of the dot product between vector A and B, when computed at t equals to 1, we get the value negative 6. So this is the value.